traffic jams the spot. Chicago at Smart Financial, day before Independence Day, July 3rd. And the Rolling Stones rescheduled their show for NRG, played them in that set of spot music. The new date is July 27th. And I'll bet you can still buy a ticket, although it'll be expensive. Lars Ulrich of Metallica's on the record saying the Rolling Stones are actually responsible for them not breaking up in the early 2000s because the Stones invited them to open up for a few shows, and to quote Lars, it gave them the way to start it back up again. And thank goodness they did, right? It's Grego.
95.7, The Spot. Your place, your music, your voice.
Hi, I think your station is really great.
We want to hear from you. You know, where you listen.
Hi, this is Dan from Spring, Texas.
Why you listen.
I love The Spot because it plays amazing music you don't hear every day.
What you like about The Spot.
Like variety.
And what we could do even better.
Have a great day.
We finally scraped up the money to buy a phone line, so let's put it to good use.
You guys are rocking. Thanks so much.
713-881-5957. 713-881-5957.
95.7, The Spot.
Call the coach at Westside Chevy and get $16,000 off Tahoes, $17,000 off Silverados, and $18,000 off Suburbans. The deal is real. Call the coach at Westside Chevy and hit a grand slam. Hurry in Saturday night at 9 p.m. Find new roads at WestsideChevroletKaty.com.
Performance luxury and huge summer savings. Shop HoustonAccurateDealers.com. Unbeatable deals on the record-breaking TLX Performance Luxury Sedan and the ILX Sports Sedan, taking the world by storm with additional savings for military and college graduates. HoustonAccurateDealers.com.
It's Grego for Texas Direct Auto. Let me tell you my personal experience. For years and years, all I did was buy brand new cars. Until one day I realized that the first year of a car's life, the depreciation is so huge, you'll never recover it. So now all I buy is pre-owned. And now is the time to check out Texas Direct Auto. Just dropped prices on hundreds of pre-owned cars and trucks, like 3,000 of them on the lot to choose from. And you can see a whole bunch of them at TexasDirectAuto.com. A free 90-day limited warranty on nearly every car, a free Carfax report, your first oil change is free, and they'll even fill up the tank for free with gasoline if you get in there before noon. This will be a great weekend to shop for cars because whichever AC blows the coldest, that's the one I'm going to buy. Low prices, awesome cars, and lots of extras. Texas Direct Auto, powered by Vroom, is a no-brainer for your next car. Visit TexasDirectAuto.com and get into a new ride today.
The most important thing in defeating you, cancer, the right diagnosis and the right treatment plan right from the start. At MD Anderson, our team of experts is giving our patients compassion, peace of mind, and the most advanced options available. So cancer, the fight against you, starts here. If you have recently been diagnosed with cancer, where you go first matters. Choose the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. Make an appointment at findyourmdanderson.com.
Face it, we all like three things: puppies, t-shirt cannons, and test drives. Renters Warehouse isn't giving away any puppies or t-shirts, but they are offering a 90-day test drive on their property management services. That's right, 90 days or walk away. Maybe the thought of renting out your home is scary, or you've been struggling to manage rental properties. Whatever the case, if you hire Renters Warehouse and you're not happy in the first 90 days, they'll refund your management fees, no problem. Other property managers lock you into long-term contracts, which is kind of like buying a car without getting behind the wheel. Renters Warehouse is so confident you'll love their services. They're saying, take us for a test drive, see what you think. It's one more way Renters Warehouse makes it impossible to say no. They'll give you a free rental price analysis. They'll find you great tenants, and now they give you 90 days to take their services for a spin. Contact Renters Warehouse today by going to renterswarehouse.com or call 713-224-RENT right now. Renters Warehouse, because you can't buy happiness, but you can rent it.
Woo! It's time for sensitivity training with JB Smoove. Yeah, I'm talking to all you fellas out there who need a sensitive razor. Try the Big Flex Force Sensitive. It glides across your skin for less irritation. With the Flex Force Sensitive, you will feel the smoothness. I promise you. And if you don't, Big will send me to your house for sensitivity training. JB will teach you how to cry at weddings, talk about your feelings, and fold a napkin into a dang swan. Smooth shave, smooth price, Big Flex.
I've been around a long time, seen a lot of gadgets show up that are supposed to make my job easier. Digital screwdrivers, Hammer 2.0, the new improved nail, now with more pointiness. You know what really makes my job easier? Grainger. Easy reordering, easy inventory solutions, and easy to do business with every time. gadgets come and go. You want reliability. You want Grainger. Call, click Grainger.com, or stop by to see for yourself. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
You can always count on Miller High Life, the champagne of beers. Always crisp, always easy drinking, always just right. The perfect balance of flavor and refreshment since 1903. Welcome to the High Life. 2019 Miller Brewing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Celebrate responsibly.
Switch to Zero Energy today. The easy choice. To sign up, visit zeroenergy.com.
Houston weather from WestsideLexus.com. It's a service of Lexus. Overnight low of 80 and partly sunny tomorrow afternoon with a high of 93. Lexus and the Lexus RX with distinctive styling, refined craftsmanship, and innovative technology. Experience amazing. See your Lexus dealer.
Houston's new 95.7 The Spot, where in 60 seconds you'll hear... let's just go ahead and play it now.